Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have something really special and something I'm really glad we got into pre-owned inventory. This is the 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. Under the hood of this Grand Cherokee is the 6.4 liter V8 producing 470 horsepower. Jeep didn't stop there though, because for 2018 they added the Hellcat motor pushing 707 horsepower in a Jeep. This is one of my favorite cars FCA has ever produced, and I'm so glad that I now have the opportunity to review one for you guys. Beautiful Napa and Alcantara inside with SRT embroidered on the seat back. This one has 68,000 miles, but it still looks brand new. Oh, it's gonna do that. Alright, sorry about that. The key fob battery is pretty much dead, so we have to replace that. But other than that, this thing's ready to go. Interior is absolutely phenomenal. Beautiful leather wrapped dashboard. Nice sun visor. Really nice interior. Let's go ahead, put it in manual mode, and take this thing for a drive. Probably my favorite part about this is the sound. It sounds absolutely phenomenal. I can't think of a vehicle as brutal as this thing. Nice Raptor too. That's probably the only thing I could think of that's as brutal as this vehicle. But that Raptor, the new Raptors don't have the sound of this 392. I mean, this is sensational. I love this thing. You do have launch control. I'm not going to be doing that because we are on a public road. But according to the facts that I've found and people that I know who have these, you can go 0 to 60 in 3.3 seconds. And this is why. Oh man, the only SUV that I've ever driven that feels quicker than this, not faster, quicker, is the Model X P100D. It's the only SUV that I've driven that even compares to this. I'm just waiting for me to go down to our Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, Ram dealership in Quincy, Massachusetts, to drive the Trackhawk. Because I can only imagine how much more brutal the acceleration is going to be of a Trackhawk. To be completely honest, this is more than anyone needs in an SUV. Way more. Now I am in track mode, so the gear shifts happen a lot quicker. Yeah, once you get it out of track mode, the shifts become a lot more docile, I should say. But where's the fun in that? If I'm gonna drive this thing, I'm gonna want it to slam my head back with every gear shift like an Aventador does. And the little burbles when you upshift under full acceleration is unlike anything else I've driven. Maybe only the Demon. But that's what's crazy. This feels just as quick as the Demon. I don't know why that is. Maybe it's the all-wheel drive. Maybe it's the transmission. I really do not know. But it drives. Oh, I'm in love with the thing. These paddles feel 10 times better than any other FCA paddles I've ever used. They're nice and extended up above the steering wheel. Well, these 9-3 bolsters. So it makes it really easy to just reach around and grab them. So this is where this thing shines. Yep, that's fast. Over the suspension test. Really, really good. The steering has a great weight to it. This is definitely the best driving SUV I've ever driven, and it's the one I'm most likely to buy if I was in the market. The Model X is absolutely sensational, and it's a ton of fun to drive, but for way different reasons than this vehicle. This vehicle is worlds different from the Model X. Whereas the Model X is quiet, this thing's not. Whereas everything in the Model X is very refined, very luxurious. This power plant is a sledgehammer. It's just gobs and gobs of power. And once the Model X slows down in the higher speeds, this will blow right by it. On that note, I want to thank you all for watching this video. Please stay tuned for future videos, and I will see you all in the next one.